part 4 lift tour, bro. It's because of the stupid ad, bro. Like the stupid ads, man. Coming. Wait lah. Stupid ads. Got to 30. Great, bro. Now I have to make a part 4. Like, oh my days. I wish those ads don't even exist. This thing doesn't work. Wow, smells like the MRT Mitsubishi, bro. Story 30. Just send this down to 1. I'm so called lift B. Okay, here comes lift B. Mate, bro, now I have to make another lift tour. Let's go to 2. Oh, come on, bro. I swear, I wish those ads don't even exist. I guess I'm just gonna continue. Story 30. Oh my days. So don't later ask me why it's at 4 parts. It's because of the app, bro. Story 2. Bro, this lift has no announcements. Oh, come on. Okay, here's lift C. Let's go to 4. Nice day, bro. Story 4. Let's go down to 1. Going up. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, lor. Okay, let's go up.
Going down. Going 1.
Thank you. Yeah, I really is at 1. Let's go to block 19.